According to Buddhist tradition, the first lecture given by Lord Buddha after his enlightenment was known as the Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta, which translates to the setting in motion of the Wheel of Dharma. This event is considered to be one of the most important in the history of Buddhism. Lord Buddha delivered this first sermon to a group of 5 ascetics who had previously been his companions during his search for enlightenment. The sermon was given in the Deer Park in Sarnath, near Varanasi in India, and it marked the beginning of Lord Buddha's teaching career, known as his ministry. In this sermon, Lord Buddha outlined the 4 noble truths, which form the basis of Buddhist philosophy. These truths are: the truth of suffering, dukkha; the truth of the cause of suffering, samudaya; the truth of the cessation of suffering, nirodha; the truth of the path leading to the cessation of suffering, magga. Lord Buddha explained that suffering arises due to attachment to material things, and that the way to overcome suffering is to follow the Eightfold Path, which includes right understanding, intention, speech, action, livelihood, effort, mindfulness, and concentration. The sermon had a profound impact on the 5 ascetics, who became Lord Buddha's first disciples and went on to spread his teachings throughout the world. The Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta is still studied and revered by Buddhists around the world today, as it is considered to be the foundation of Buddhist philosophy and practice.